Hi everyone, Greg here. Well, today I thought I'd show you how to propagate a Monstera. Now, these plants here are really tough and hardy, and they have little nodes that grow off them, which you can put in a vase and they can grow in the water. You can propagate them that way, or you can just leave them there as well and grow them as a indoor plant that grows in water. Also, it's really good if you've got one plant to know how to split it into several more plants. So let me show you how to find a node on a Monstera and what you're going to look out for so you can take a cutting. So here's a bunch of them here. They do grow quite big, but what you want to do is look for a smaller leaf, even though this one isn't small, but you'll follow down the trunk and you'll just see like a piece growing off it, and hopefully it's got a piece of root system growing off it as well. And what we need to do is just cut it off here, just below the root system. Now the Monstera is a climber and it does have aerial roots. So what we need to do is try and find the aerial roots of the Monstera plant. But this one's a little bit too big for my liking, so what I want to do is try and find one that's a little bit smaller. Alright, well I found another one. Here it is here. So what you need to do is find a bit of the plant that's got a root system on it. And this one here is just perfect. It's got a bit more root system here, so what I'll do is I'll cut it just below the root system. Alright. Okay, so now I've got the cutting, how about we go and turn it into a nice house plant? Alright, for starters, we need to find something that this will fit in. So this looks fine. Now if you've got a jar or something, an old coffee jar, that'd be perfect. But I'll have to use this glass for now, so just put that in here. Add some water just up to the node, and we just find a nice bright spot for it. I don't want to put it in the full sun right now, but I might put it next to this other one, which I did a few months ago now, and just take a look at its root system. It's really come along nicely. So this has just been sitting in water for months and months. It loves it here in the nice bright sunny room as well. And I do add a little bit of seaweed solution to the water, just a tiny bit. And it seems to be doing really well. Anyway, that's how you get yourself a nice free little house plant, or separate your other plants. These are a great plant just to watch the root systems grow, and it will brighten up any room. So remember, keep it out of full sun, just keep it in a nice bright space, and you should be right. I hope you enjoyed this video and it helps you out in some way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
He's your Aussie mate in the